What if I told you there's a defense stock that just reported 1000% revenue growth, raised its full year guidance yet again, has a backlog of almost $500 million, and is directly linked with Palantir? That stock is Ondas, ticker symbol ONDS, and this is such an exciting video because they have just announced some huge news. Before we get into it, if you appreciate these videos, then don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. I'm aiming for 500 likes and comments, so please help the channel out. Help me hit that goal. Now let's get straight into it with the very latest news. Ondas stock is on the move today after the company announced that they have just closed the deal to acquire Omnisys, an Israeli developer of AI-powered battle resource optimization or BRO software for multi-domain defense planning. The initial agreement was announced on May 18th, but it's just closed today, and this is just one of several major factors pushing the stock this week. The acquisition marks a major strategic milestone for Ondas' evolution into a software-defined defense technology company. Omnisys Bro platform is expected to serve as a core layer across Ondas' growing portfolio, enabling mission planning, operational coordination, and real-time battle resource optimization across sensors, autonomous systems, and defense assets. CEO Eric Brock stated that Omnisys and its Bro platform will represent a major advancement of Ondas' customer-focused systems of systems roadmap for autonomous defense and security solutions. Bro is a proven, battle-tested software platform that delivers meaningful operational value by improving planning, battlefield resource optimization, and real-time mission execution. The acquisition directly supports Ondas' broader growth strategy and builds on recent momentum across its autonomous systems portfolio, including expanding deployments of ISR platforms, counter-UAS systems, and integrated defense solutions. While Ondas' Ojri Lagazi added that we believe we are adding one of the world's most advanced and operationally validated AI decision and battlefield orchestration engines into our architecture. But when they closed this deal today, the company also updated its full year 2026 outlook, raising revenue guidance and bringing forward EBITDA profitability timeline by 6 months. So this is huge, and I've talked about this before in terms of Ondas' pipeline and their path to growth and profitability. So to see the company basically jump forward on this timeline by 6 months is huge. Management now expects at least $390 million of revenue in 2026 and has pulled forward its adjusted EBITDA profitability target to Q1 2027, 6 months earlier than previously outlined. But it's important to remember what exactly Ondas is. Ondas Inc. is a technology company focused on autonomous systems, robotics, and mission-critical defense technologies. Ondas operates through Ondas Networks and Ondas Autonomous Systems, which include American Robotics and Aerobotics. The simple way to explain this is Ondas is trying to become a system of systems company for defense, security, and critical infrastructure. That means it's aiming to sell complete systems that can detect threats, gather intelligence, communicate securely, and respond autonomously. The company's products are aimed at markets like defense, homeland security, border security, and critical infrastructure. Their platforms include autonomous drone systems, counter-UAS technology, ground robotics, UAVs, and ISR capabilities, intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance. And this is where the investment story gets interesting because the world is clearly moving towards more drones, more autonomous systems, and more counter-drone defense, with more software-driven companies that can build the next generation of defense technology, and Ondas is trying to position itself right in the middle of that trend. Looking at the investors' presentation, we can see that the plan is working. They're expanding their global market opportunities, integrating solutions, and scaling operations. Again, we have the result of that earnings report here. Ondas is 6 months ahead of their forecast. They are now active in 45 countries with over 1,000 employees across 15 offices, and they are accelerating their US expansion. Ondas's operating platform is delivering huge success. Q1 revenue grew 260% year over year with millions of purchase orders, and this is increasing each quarter too. Here we see a breakdown of that huge backlog across LMS, ISR, and aerial security, with about 65% of the backlog relating to the North American region of the business. They have over $450 million of backlog. But their 2-year strategic program pipeline suggests that they are in pursuit of over $4.3 billion of business. This is a company that is smashing their own expectations. Things they hadn't even planned to deliver until the end of this year have already been achieved, and they expect continued growth. But it's not just Ondas that's going insane right now. The Trump administration is reportedly exploring supporting domestic drone makers through Pentagon funding and equity deals. Now, we've already seen huge examples this year of stocks that have gone insane after the Trump administration has made such announcements. Most recently, we've seen all the quantum stocks rally hard. And of course, Intel is probably the most famous in 2026. Intel has gone from under $20 to over $120 in such a short time. But the government's drone dominance initiative is targeting 300,000 low-cost attack drones by 2027. According to a Wall Street Journal report, the talks, which involve the Pentagon and private drone firms, could result in funding packages that combine loans and government ownership stakes in selected companies. While the report mentioned unusual machines, all the drone sector is flying high today. Ondas is up over 20%, Red Cat is up 30%, and unusual machines is now up close to 60%. But with Ondas expanding into military software with the Omnisys acquisition, it's really hard not to see huge potential here. So going forward, we need to keep an eye on a few things, such as how quickly Ondas embeds Omnisys software into live defense programs, whether or not this shows up in contract wins against peers such as Palantir, Lockheed Martin, and RTX, and their progress on the large backlog, along with any updates to the $390 million 2026 revenue outlook. If we look at Fintel, there has been some major institutional movement recently too. Institutional ownership has increased by more than 40% recently, and more than tenfold in the past year. The likes of Vanguard and Van Eck have increased their shareholding by 40%, while JP Morgan has increased their position by 3,675% as of 2 weeks ago. Then the likes of Citadel and Jane Street have huge hedging positions, increasing their calls and puts by as much as 500%. Ondas now has a consensus price target of $20, according to 7 Wall Street analysts. All 7 have rated the stock as a buy, while the highest price target is $25. This was set by H.C. Wainwright analyst Amit Dayal, who issued the buy rating due to Ondas's 2026 revenue outlook and strong execution on recent acquisitions, as well as their pipeline, significant backlog, and strategic partnership with Palantir. And this was all just before this week's big news, so I expect that Ondas is due for some analyst revisions soon. But guys, what do you think? Is Ondas at $13 a good buy? If you enjoyed this video, then help me hit my goal of 500 likes and let me know your thoughts in the comments. If you're an Ondas investor and would like to see another Ondas video where I talk about some of the risks and some of the biggest concerns that you need to be aware of, then click the video that is appearing on screen right now.